Welcome to the bay. Come on in. So this is a display of a lot of different products we have enabled. We have done some cool sneakers with Staple, and we actually did the World Cup ball with Adidas. And I'll show you a really quick demo. It's super easy. You just take your smartphone. If you have an iPhone, unless you have one of the newer ones, you'll probably need like an NFC reader app. You can download Decode, and you just hit scan, hit it to the ball or any product, and then you get a really cool experience. The kitchen. This is where the magic happens. We have our water filter, our espresso machine, we have a dishwasher, which means we don't have to wash dishes anymore. We have a fridge that is stocked, and our favorite snack drawer. And like every great MTV Crib episode, I'm gonna take you over to the fridge. So, clearly everyone's eating out today, but as you can tell, we take our milk very seriously. This is our main workspace. You can see that everyone is working really hard right now. Some people are actually in meetings. But let me see if I can bother someone. Hey guys. Hi. How's it going?
Good.
Wanted to know, how's that blog coming?
Brilliant. Better than ever.
That's my girl. So I just showed you the main working space, and now I'm going to show you some other workspaces. Hey, Steph.
Hey.
So this is the couch. This is a little bit more of a communal area where people come to chat and just to kind of take some time off. And my team actually likes to use this space as a brainstorming area. This is the green room. This is actually the engineer's favorite conference room. They have a stand-up in here about every single day, I think. And this is also where we just have different discussions and meetings, and where sales and marketing like to meet up on Fridays to discuss the week's work. Alright, so now I'm going to take you over to the yellow conference room, which is where we have all of our Monday morning meetings. Every Monday morning, the entire company gets together to talk about what we accomplished the week prior and what we were hoping to accomplish that current week. Also, during happy hours, our conference table converts into a ping pong table. I'm taking you to one of our most casual breakout rooms, which is actually really fun. We have these really awesome beanbag chairs where you can kind of veg out, really think about different strategies and write your ideas up on the board as engineers have. And what's really cool about this room is that you can never reserve it. People can come in here as they please, multiple different teams can be working on different projects at the same time, and it's just a really creative room that gets those juices flowing. But there's one more surprise. We have our in-house punching bag. This is where you can sort of just blow off some steam and maybe get a little angst out. I'll show you how that's good. So I've shown you our kitchen, I've shown you our workspace, I've even shown you our different conference rooms. Now it's time to show you the door. Thanks for stopping by.